Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Make sure your car radio or OEM adapter supports Android Auto wireless. Next, enable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location on your phone so discovery works. Leave the screen unlocked. Plug the wireless adapter into the vehicle's USB port and wait for its LED to indicate readiness. Once connected, put the adapter into pairing mode per its instructions. You do this now so the car and phone can find each other without swapping cables. Once the adapter is in pairing mode, open your phone's Bluetooth list and select the adapter name, tap Pair. After Bluetooth links, the adapter will ask the phone to switch Wi-Fi to the adapter's network, except that prompts so high bandwidth data flows over Wi-Fi for Android Auto. Now launch the Android Auto app if it doesn't open automatically and follow the guided prompts to enable wireless projection. Make sure you grant any permission requests. They enable media, notifications, and navigation to appear on. You're finishing by confirming Android Auto shows on the car display, test music, voice commands, and maps to ensure audio and mic routing work properly. If it doesn't connect, restart the phone and unplug, then replug the adapter. Also confirm the USB port supplies sufficient power and the adapter's Wi-Fi band matches phone capability. Make sure the adapter firmware and Android Auto app are up to date. If problems persist, reset Bluetooth settings on the phone and repeat pairing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.